Hey there, it's Mike from Mac Digital Media. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you're having a great day today. An unfortunate thing happened to my keyboard just recently, a full-size keyboard for a Macintosh, the one that has the numeric keypad on it, and one of the keys stopped working. Still had to do my work, tried to find some fixes on the internet, YouTube, that sort of thing. Did all the usual things such as checking the connections, making sure the wire isn't frayed or has some sort of a problem. Also tried using canned air to spray out the spaces of the keys to kind of clean out all the crud there. Finally, also happened to find something on the internet where they say that you can pry up the keys and actually go in there with a Q-tip, try to clean it out, and that didn't work. So I found this company out of Canada, and perhaps you've already heard of it, but it's called Matias. I don't know if that's the way you say it, but I picked up a wired keyboard like before, but I got the newer space gray design from Apple. It looks the same way. It's the same kind of keyboard with the extended numeric pad. This one has lighted keys. They're backlit, and you can have them be white, or you can dial in any color you want. And it gives you shortcuts to be able to turn on the light full blast, or you can turn it off completely. In this case, it's mapped to the eject key, but they still make it so if you hold down the eject key long enough, you can get it to eject. So it was very well crafted. It's got a good feel to it and that kind of thing. And I only paid $99 for this particular one. They have other keyboards that are very similar to the original keyboard. They have wireless versions. They even have ones that work specifically for the PC as well. Anyway, I also wanted to tell you real quick, though, if you are in a pinch and you are waiting for your keyboard to arrive and you still needed to use that keyboard, get over into the system preferences of the Macintosh. In this case, you look for the accessibility little icon right here. You click on it. You scroll all the way down to the bottom to the keyboard, and you look for Accessibility Keyboard and select Enable Accessibility Keyboard. Then this keyboard pops up for you, and I was just using this as a way to, as I'm typing along and I need to find the G key in this particular case that was out, I would just add a G, and then it was okay. So in the 3 or 4 days it took me to get my keyboard, I just kind of went along with this, in the meantime. And then you can put it over anything you're working on. It's always available. You never lose it, and it's always handy. And just a reminder that before you get rid of the keyboard completely, you want to make sure that you don't have your little USB wireless receivers in the keyboard, the ones that might be for your wireless mouse or your tablet, that kind of thing. Be sure and remove them before you get rid of the keyboard. Anyway, I hope these tips will help you in one way or another, and if you have any suggestions for other tips that you'd want to know more about or have me delve into, I can certainly do that for you. I hope these things help you out. That's my intention, just to try to make it easier for you to make your workflow better. Okay, so take care.